He was in line. Oh, sige na, Nicole. Bye-bye na, bye-bye. It's Friday. Sinundo ko na si Nicole sa school. Pero sinundo ko siya after nag-play sila sa playground with her classmate. And super nakakatawa kasi ayaw na niyang umuwi. Ayaw niyang sumama sa akin. Not the same with the other days na umiiyak siya. Actually, one day lang naman siya na umiiyak. Noong first day of school, umiyak siya. The second day, third, and fourth day, hindi naman. And the fifth day of school na today, Friday, ayun nga, umiyak siya. Hindi dahil sa about sa first, hindi tulad nung sa first day. Umiyak siya kasi ayaw niyang umuwi, guys. Ayan o. Ayaw niyang sumama kay mama. Sabi niya, I want school. You want school? You don't like to go with mama? Ayaw daw niya umuwi. Gusto niya ng school. So, Monday, Punildilnik, you will stay until 1 o'clock there. You will eat there, okay?
No.
You will play and eat there, okay?
No.
What no? Yet. Yeah, then you will play there. You will play in school. After, you will eat kushi, patum. Oh, what's that? Wow. Too much leaves fall down. Yun. No more leaves fall down. Where? Oh. No more wind. Oh, tara. Ayun na, nakakatuwa lang. Nakakatuwa lang, guys. Kasi nga, ayun nga. Ayaw na niya sa akin sumama. Ayaw nang umuwi. Aray. So, next week, by next Monday, yung sabi ko kanina, by Monday, 1 week siya na until 1 o'clock. Kasi this week, 1 week siya until 10, parang 2 hours lang siya. So, by next week, extended siya until 1. So, after that, after 1 week na siya hanggang 1, whole day na siya. Kasi tapos na siguro yung adjustment period niya. Siguro nakita nila na nakapag-adjust naman siya, siguro naging nice siya with friends, with classmate niya. Kasi ang sabi niya is 2 weeks daw na 2 hours muna siya, pero they move to until 1. So, pagkasundo ko sa kanya, tapos na siyang kumain, pagkadating sa bahay, matutulog na lang siya. So, iba na naman ang schedule ko niyan. So, ibig sabihin, kakain akong mag-isa. So, hapon ko na siyang sunduin, mga 1. Ganon. So, that's all for today. Ang batang umiyak for today's video na ayaw umuwi or sumama sa mama. Say, thank you for watching.
Okay.
Look at here. Say thank you for watching.
Watching.
Paka-paka.
Pagawaka.
Ang kulit.